Hello friends, my name is Sudhir Kumar Singh and today I am starting YouTube series for SAP Solution Manager 7.2. In this series we will go through all functionalities of Solution Manager, the monitoring UI, how the thing looks like and how can you configure Solution Manager in your landscape to monitor your complete landscape in flexible way. If you like this video, please like uh, this video on below below link, as well as you can also subscribe my channel to get new videos at first time. So what we are thinking that let's let's go through the first style, which first let me introduce about the new launchpad of SAP Solution Manager 7.2, which is of SP10. We can see this is the launchpad which is showing here. We are at home, and by this icon we can see all functionalities and all components of Solution Manager. What are the businesses, what are the things Solution Manager can do, and this list of the functionalities or tiles are based on your roles and authorizations, what types of roles you are assigned to, and based on that you will find the list of the all functionalities on which you can work upon. So today we are going to start the foremost topic of SAP Solution Manager, which is system monitoring. So in the same time tile, I can see my home. We are having only two tiles, but if I go here, I'll see the first tile. First I menu you can see is system and application monitoring. In 7.2 onwards, the name of technical monitoring was changed to system and application monitoring. So let me click here. Now we are having different tiles under this catalog group: alert inbox, alert search, alert reporting, system monitoring, and other functionalities under system and application monitoring. Now the thing is that in system monitoring we have two different variants. One which is a system monitoring called it is desktop based, and second you can see here it is mobile optimized system monitoring tile. So first we will go through the desktop version, and second time we'll go through the mobile optimized style. So let me click here. Okay, so we have this screen here. Now this is the scope selection. We'll go through here. If you click here, you can see there are different boxes coming with different types and different functionalities. So here we are just going to check all system IDs, that which all systems are here, to list and to check that all parts. So here what we will do that if you do not know, or if you want to know the system IDs, you can search here, else just go and click on go. So it will list all of the systems with their SID, system type, and the alert part. So let me explain the topmost header of this system monitoring view. Here we can see the first is a status overview, in which it will first box, it will show the number of systems. The second one, number of errors, means how many systems are having an error status, warning, success, and planned downtime. These are uh, the tiles, or you can say the status of the overall landscape or systems which you have selected in a scope selection. Now, and the se- right part is called alert ticker. It means the alert ticker refreshes on the go. If any new alert comes, it will refresh the alert ticker and you will see the number of alerts coming in this alert ticker along with the time that when the last alert was received in the alert ticker, right? Next, we can go to left. We are at overview. We have also this icon. If you click on this icon, it will expand the menu and it will show that what type of options we are having here. Just if we want to see the systems, we can click on this one. It will list the system with their status. It takes a bit time. So now we can see that we have got, and if you click on this icon once again, the page which is can be expanded. Now we can see the SIDs along with the system ID, overall status, like SID, system type, overall status, availability, performance, configuration, exception, and number of alerts respective to the system ID, and also the self monitoring options. What is the status of self monitoring of your ABAP A4H system? We can also see the databases by clicking on the database icon showing below. So there's no databases. I think it is showing the Oracle databases which are a part of your landscape, but as a part of Infosys screen, we have seen there were a couple of HANA DB servers as well. So next and last of this menu is host. So if you click on the host, it will show the number of, and all hosts listed, that how many hosts are applicable are available in your landscape. So let's see what all host and what the status of the all host is in system monitoring application. Now this is the overall status of, I can say, the system application. And the first thing I would like to update you that now from this screen we can, if we want to see the overall status of the system, then we can click on any of the options available here. It will load the different component of the particular system in tree view and tabular view as well, and it will show the number of alerts as well as the status of the particular system. Now we can see here, this is the graphical way you can say the which component is how many having how many alerts and what is the status of the component. First in tree view we can see it is a system. It is having one database, and along with their two different application servers. One is central instance, second one is PAs, and it is having SIDs, and it is having the host as well, on which host these applications are listed and installed, and this HANA database is having a different host. In the same way, if we go in tree view, we can see we can expand here. We can see the what all components we are having, like system availability. In system availability, what are the metrics assigned it to, and in the same way the system performance as well, user load, system configuration, the system response time, all these are shown on tree view as well. And the same way, if we want to see the availability of the instance, we can see here that all three monitoring metrics are uh, green, and it is showing green status of the availability of the system and also the instances. This is a database. In database it shows the same component, the availability, configuration, performance and exception. This is self monitoring, which is related to self monitoring of the A4H system. What is the status of self monitoring shows here. And if we want, I think we can switch to hierarchy view as well, that how it looks like, which are the manage object. This is shown the availability and all KPIs. You can expand like this one. Category, this is the rating, event name, metrics and value text. These are the options we are having in tabular view, and by this clicking it will be switched. This is a filter basically, if you want to set some filters, and if we click on to hierarchy view, then it looks like this one. This is altogether related to the system monitoring desktop version. So then now we will go to on main view, and from here we can by clicking on the alerts we will also switch to alert inbox for particular instances. However, the alert search and alert part I will cover in a next session. So so now we are going to check the application means system monitoring in mobile optimized version. So just we will click on this tile and it opens. So now it shows in this way. In left side the system which is selected, and at the right side component of the particular system, and it is optimized way. Like this is J2E Java, which is having 5 alerts, and all components of the like availability, performance, configuration, exceptions and self monitoring, all 5 monitoring scenarios are red. If you click on this one, you will find the all details related to the particular system, that what is the process instances which is in exceptions and which is red. So these are the critical metrics, these are the events, and these are the alerts. In the same way, if we go for other parts as well, and one more thing, that everything is showing in a different way. Now if we want to search anything which is known, like J2 is coming, if I search A4H, it would be there. Search here, you can see A4H is available, and now we can see the alerts based on their categories, right? So this is the way how the application monitoring for system monitoring for differs in system view and the mobile view. So this is for today. Next topic we will cover on alerts part and other parts of system and application monitoring. And thank you for watching video. Please like this video and subscribe for new updates and the new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.